Yes, you can make thousands of dollars, thousands of shillings, dirhams, pounds with viral content. Today, this morning, we are going to easily see how to take advantage of viral content to make money. It's so beautiful. I've made money from viral content with Facebook, not YouTube. Yes, but with Facebook. And also, if you're in any other niche, not my niche, even if you're in my niche, you can make money from viral content. So instead of sitting down, you repost, you put it on your status anywhere without an intention. Please start making money without lifting a finger. Let other people make for you content, and for you sit and enjoy the amount of money that you can't believe. We are talking about thousands of dollars. We are talking about thousands of shillings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine Immaculate, the lady that says we should not hold smartphones and beg for bread. And we bring for you tips on how to make sure you make your use of your smartphone to be productive, to get money. You make use of your smartphone and internet to keep having passive income, to keep being active, not only to be active and be present, but also to be making money daily. This is for people who have been thinking, no, I feel to get a side hustle. You can make it a side hustle, or you can make it your main stream of income. So before I dive in on how to make sure we can make use of our viral content or of people's viral content without even putting a lot of energy, allow me appreciate all our top engagers. You're so beautiful. I love you so much. On all our social media platform, is it Facebook, is it YouTube, is it TikTok? Thank you, you makers. And to you, Immaculate Show team, you're wonderful. We can do without you. For subscribers, you guys, this is the right press. We give you authentic, we give you real. We don't come for own reviews. Yes, we want views, but also we come to uplift you, to make sure you reach somewhere with your smartphone. Now, you guys, this is a disclaimer. I don't want you to hold it accountable if you fail. I bring for you 10% of what works for me. I want you to go out there, 90%. Start researching and make sure you can make something out of what we give you. So we are not financial consultants. We are not approved to come and give you on how to be buoyant rich. No. We are here to share with you. This is educational. It's for educational purposes. So guys, back to our main topic of today, or our main title. Our main focus is on to make sure that we make money out of viral content. What is viral content? That is the first thing. Viral content is that content that the moment it is posted in your locality, in your niche, it goes wild like fire. Everyone reposts it, even including you. Hook or crook, it comes to your pages. This is the content that when it is reposted, it easily catches the public. It easily catches the algorithm. It is recommended. So this viral content, it might not be from you. It is from someone. Whenever they post it, most people grab it and repost it, and whoever posts it gets views. Viral content, we have like entertainment, we have like lifestyle, we have like different programs like BB Ninja. This one has been one of the viral content always. But we have the day-to-day in your locality, in your location, in where you stay. Don't mind me about my voice, about how I look. I've been down for some time, but I feel I'm getting better. So bear with me. You'll excuse me for that. So recently, I give an example of viral content. There's the content that always go viral on TikTok, on Facebook, mostly TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. You guys, take advantage of those viral content. There's one thing you can do with it to make money out of it. You can go pick that content, add value. How do you add value? You just edit, you change the effects, you change the ratios. If it is to come from Facebook to YouTube, it is come to Facebook. If it is to be posted on Facebook, on TikTok, you change the ratios. You can even change the effects, you zoom in, you do what. You also add, you can add your thinking, your style. After adding it, post it. It will surely bring for you money. I've seen it work. Let me shock you like for the last, I'm doing it on Facebook, and for the last 2 weeks our earnings have increased drastically because we involve weekends, we put viral content, the content that whenever you put it, it goes. And there are 2 advantages of this viral content. One, it gives you followers or subscribers. 2, it also gives you new people, visitors, without forgetting the major one, it gives you money. Yeah, viral content might not give you a lot of money, but it gives you visitors that will come and visit your page, will come and visit your channel, and those people can be turned into royal viewers, or you can be turned into even your community. So viral content, it is not bad to repost it. You can sit, most people have made a lot of money. Most people have made a lot of money on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram with viral content. There's some people who have never even made their content. They have never even lifted a finger. They have never lifted their lips to talk. They only use that viral content. You can put your picture in the background. You can do reaction. You can do extra editing you need, and it ends up being used, and you add value like that. The only thing I'm encouraging you, because you're not going to only focus on getting money, you need also to focus on your own brand. Like me, I know viral content is good for me to get to bring for me people, and I see how to retain them. But they should know my channel. They should know me of who I am. They shouldn't know me of posting viral content only. So it's up to you to sit down and say, how can I turn this viral content, apart from having money, also to turn it into a fun, a royal audience. So guys, go out there, make this viral content make you money.